So I'm back at my house from my grandparents' place. Uh, okay, my grandmom has given a lot of stuff that needs to be taken back home to Dubai, and some things that my mom and dad want. Now I know I said in the previous videos that I've cleaned the rooms, but I didn't. Uh, the situation is just as it was. So today's agenda for reals is I have to clean my room, but before that I need to pack my bag. Tomorrow's day is going to be very chilled out. I'm not going to do anything. Uh, I am only going to do some last minute packing, like the foodstuffs that needs to be packed. But other than that, I am just keeping tomorrow's day completely free and for relaxing. I have to put some dirty clothes for washing so that I can pack them. I'll do that right now, in fact. So I just watched the Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Mumbai Indians match. It was a very convincing win from Sunrisers. They completely had the game from the very first ball. I mean, they clearly dominated in bowling, and the both the opening batsmen for Sunrisers, Warner and Riddhiman Saha, they clearly were just too good for Mumbai's bowlers. And yeah, a convincing win for them and a place in the playoffs. In my last video, I said that I was under the impression that Punjab had a game or two in hand and they would qualify, but I was wrong. So both my top two teams are there in the playoffs. Uh, that is Delhi Capitals and Bangalore. Although I don't really mind either of Mumbai and Sunrisers to win the IPL, it'll be really refreshing to see a new team like Delhi or Royal Challengers to win the IPL this year. And yeah, now tomorrow the women's T20 challenge starts. So I don't know if Hotstar is streaming that, but I shall be watching that also because definitely this is the golden period. If, in my opinion, this is the golden period for women's cricket in India, and they have some of the really good players like Shefali Verma and Jemima Rodriguez, Harmanpreet Kaur, Mithali Raj, Julan Goswami. They are all. I mean, the entire Indian women's team is also quite decent, and like they are really good players. So I think we should support our women's team as well. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to watch that match. Also, tomorrow is United's Champions League match against Istanbul. I don't know how to pronounce the second part of the name. Istanbul, anyways. So the match starts at 11:20 p.m. and it will get over in the right time when I have to leave for Mumbai. Uh, I am leaving at 2 in the morning because I need to reach at least 3 or 4 hours before my flight takes off. That is like if my flight is at 10:30, I need to be at the airport by 7 o'clock max. And I've heard that there is some strict checking for the COVID certificate, so I should give myself an extra hour buffer time. I should be able to reach Mumbai airport by 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. Hello guys, good morning. It is 8 a.m. and today is Wednesday. So finally I am traveling tonight. That is tomorrow early morning, but it will be tonight for me. And as you guessed it, I am in my United shirt. That means it's a United match day. Now only like the last minute packing is left and some little cleaning up of the house. And I think I need to get a few medicines, that is my anti-allergy medicines, and otherwise I am all set to go, just waiting for just waiting for the match. Also, I will give you my reaction. Today is United versus Istanbul, and Last night I ordered out. I didn't eat what my grandmom had made me. So today I will finish what is there in the fridge. I mean, just 2 3 items that is there. That is my lunch, and tonight I will order out again. So yeah. Hey guys, it is currently 7:30 in the evening, and I'm absolutely ready to leave. Everything is done. I've packed all my bags, and now I just have to keep my laptop inside. And other than that, I am absolutely completely ready to leave. I'm not really bothering too much with whatever is left here. I'm just leaving it as it is because I've done as much as I could, cleaned every corner of my house. I don't know how uh, when I'll be coming back here. So until then, everything is set, clean. The only thing I'm worried about is that obviously the house is going to be shut for a while, so everything is going to catch dust. So I have, like, put sheets wherever possible. Now the only thing left to pack is my laptop, but that I shall do very last minute, because now there are two sporting events that I'm not going to miss. That is the Women's T20 Challenge, which has already started, and the next one is Manchester United versus Istanbul in the Champions League. So until those matches get over, it is going to be my time to go back to travel to Mumbai. So yeah, now look at the condition of this place. Packed off all the laptop, my monitor, and packed off my monitor and everything. Oh yes, now I need to wash off the remaining utensils, which I shall do. From here, I've emptied the fridge. So now here's a quick time lapse of me washing the dishes. Yes, so everything is finally clean. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one with a reaction of the football match between Manchester United and Istanbul. Peace.